gentlemen, we have just closed on the main cabin door. We're ready to get you out of here and on your way to Singapore. We'd like to ask that you go ahead and take your seats. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Also, please make sure that all your smaller electronics are placed in a non-transmitting mode at this time. If you happen to be working on your laptop, this is now the time to unplug, power down. Those will need to be stowed into your carry-on bag. In a few moments, I'll be showing you a very important video. It will explain the safety features of your Boeing 787-900 series Dreamliner. Please direct your attention to your personal screens. At this time, I'd like flight attendants to open the doors, cross-check, stand by for roll call.
Make sure you switch all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Keep your personal items under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connected. Uniting the world and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight. Catch United in Spider-Man Far From Home.
Thanks very much for your attention, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jeff Connor. I'll be your international purser for tonight's flight to Singapore. I'll be assisted by 9 other internationally trained flight attendants, 3 of whom are fluent in Chinese and may be identified by the language bar on their uniform. Captain says our flight time about 15 hours and 40 minutes tonight. Once we're airborne, I'll be back to tell you a little bit more about this evening's flight. We'd like to again thank you for your business. Welcome to the Friendly Skies. past the seatbelt sign. We're going to ask that you stay seated with your belt fastened until that sign's been turned off. That will be your indication it is safe to move out of the cabin. We do highly recommend tonight that while you're seated or sleeping, that you always keep your belt fastened, just in case we encounter unexpected turbulence. I'd like to extend a welcome to our Mileage Plus members on board tonight. You're earning and redeeming very valuable miles. If you haven't yet joined our award-winning frequent flyer program, please log on to United.com for further details on an application. As soon as we level off and things smooth out, we'll be coming through with a dinner and a beverage service for you. On our bar cart tonight, we offer a variety of soft drinks, juices, milk, as well as hot tea and coffee. We also offer complimentary beer and wine. If you wish to purchase spirits or hard liquor, you'll find available brands and pricing in the back of your Hemispheres magazine. All onboard purchases may be made with credit or debit card. We accept those displaying the Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover logo. For our customers who are seated in our main cabin tonight, we have 4 restrooms for your convenience. You'll find 2 in the mid-cabin as well as 2 in the very back. All restrooms forward of row 8 are reserved for our Polaris customers. We'll thank you ahead of time for respecting this arrangement. Again, please use the restroom in your ticketed cabin. About halfway through the flight, we offer a light snack to you, and then just prior to landing, we'll be offering you an additional meal. This aircraft is equipped with Wi-Fi and onboard entertainment. Please refer to the instructions you'll find in your seat pocket for the use of these amenities. Right now, recline your seat and enjoy that visit to Singapore.
在今天的飞行中，我们为您准备了晚餐是我喜欢的饮料，一个可以穿越航天杂志资料总装的专要的详细介绍。本班航班所有饮料全部免费，除了机位之外，我们全部的饮料全部免费。同时在飞行到一半时，我们将会有点心的服务，在到达新加坡之前的1个半小时，我们将会有早餐的服务。在今天我飞行中，我们客舱分为2种不同客舱，前面的客舱呢是2商务客舱，后面的这个是农务客舱。在这之间，我们有布帘座位间隔，请旅客不要随意穿越这些布帘，也请你尽量所用手客舱卫生间。同时，在本班航班对有影响往客人的欣赏，我们将会有一套的完整节目上，包括电视、电子游戏机、还有其他的电视短片供你欣赏。你可以在任何时间飞机所需更换频道。我们今天飞行时间是15个小时40分钟，在我们家出现最后一张的起标就请告诉我们空谢谢。